What is up, guys? Today we are doing a mukbang again. This is part 2 of Clyde, and we have another visitor.
Blueberry.
We're actually doing, I'm actually gonna say this before we get into the video. He is quote unquote saying he has 10K subs. We all know that's cap. But just look at how he acts.
Hey, shush. No, shh.
Look at how he acts, bro. He does not have 10K subs. I know it. Hey guys, just so you know, let's get into this video. So, we got 8 pieces of cheese. Cheese. We love cheese. We got cheese. Oh my god, we got so cheese. Cheese. Sorry, I'm not cheese, motherfucker. Wait, guys, look at the way he acts. He is not okay. Next item, oh my god. MRE. Wait, is this brighter? Is this like a brighter MRE? Like a little bit light blue and a little bright.
It's time to do our mukbang.
I already started my mukbang.
Cooking with Kaya.
Oh, it's smaller and it's brighter.
Not again.
Since I took that out, who's the next one? We got piss flavor. Guys, I just got a.
Sorry, bro.
Guys, I have a.
No cooking with Kaya.
Guys, I have a piss flavored MRE.
No.
Wait, what?
I'm gonna make sure I choke you.
Mustard flavor, you mean?
No, mustard.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. You made me mad. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
I kicked them.
But.
I kicked them.
Okay, I guess our visitor is gone because I guess my friend kicked him. Did you actually?
No, I'm disconnected.
Wait, tell me the
He
truth.
actually
Tell me the
disconnected.
truth. Did he actually just get kicked? Did he kick him?
Yes, I'm literally just popped out of nowhere.
Galaxy pie. Look at those. What are you doing, buddy? Eat pie. You need protein.
This is protein.
More pie than ain't Galaxy. It's not blueberry actually. This is just regular pumpkin pie. Yum. Another pumpkin pie. Here's another one. Ooh, Galaxy cheese. But it's grape flavored. Grape flavored Galaxy cheese. Yum.
Ow, my toe! I just
Yum.
hit my toe with my controller.
So yummy. Okay, we got blueberry flavored MRE. Let's eat it.
Why are you eating my friend?
I'm eating it. My voice. I'm eating it because I need to. I need protein.
That ain't protein.
I'm going to eat the flying monkey. It's a fly. It's a fly with the backpack on. It's a fly. It's a fly with the backpack on. Oh, my vision. Ow. Ooh, and now we got a. Why does it have batteries? Who cares?
Who cares, bro?
Monkey. J-Man. Bro, I just ate the J-Man broccoli. Ooh, we got a tiny, regular, zombie meat. I'm gonna put this one away because it tastes too good for a mukbang. Ooh, but since I did that, I'll give you guys an extra
Cheeto!
treat.
I got a hot Cheeto!
Okay, no, I can't do that, nah. This is just too cool. Okay, so next one. You got Galaxy Apple, bro. What did you do? No.
I'm gonna have Cheeto. Bro's making out with the apple.
No, I'm just eating. Bro, what do you mean making out, bro? You're making out with the freaking. What the fuck is happening to my camera, bro? Yummy. And we got some Coke.
Golden Coca-Cola? That's mine. Oh, Charlie! Why you hurt me?
Oh man.
Gimme.
This golden thing was so good. That was the last item of my mukbang. Wait, do you have anything else?
No.
Alright, this is the last time for our mukbang.
But cheese.
Dad,
Actually, no, you're the minigames kids in all of the other videos. And the minigames kids love cheese. Fun fact, yeah, that's our new fun fact. The minigames kids love cheese in this game. I just found him another cheese. Bro, I found you another cheese. I found another one.
Cheese!
There you go, take it. They love devouring those cheeses. Anyway, guys, we are done with the video. That was all for our mukbang. Have a good day, guys. Bye.